Okay, we'll get started. This is day 2. This is the third and final of these refillable candles. Now the vessels, let me grab a vessel so you can see the vessel. The vessels can come in multiple colors. Colors are listed on our website. This is a no color one. This is just the color of the cement. And I'll show you. These are what the vessels look like. And so once I take these out, these will just drop down inside the vessel and you have a refillable option. Once the candle gets completely gone or where it's almost gone, all you need to do is scoop it out at that point because it's done. Like there's going to be a little metal piece, but it's not glued into the vessel by any means. You can just do a double boiler and get it all out, scoop it all out and wipe it down, however you want to do it. They are not microwave safe because on the bottom of our wood wicks is the little metal tab. So you cannot put it in the microwave, but you can heat it all the way through and then scoop it out, or you can just drop it in a double boiler and it will melt the wax and then you can scoop it all out. And then you just put in your next one. It saves on the cost because you're not constantly getting a new vessel, so there's no cost for the vessel. And all you're paying for is the wax that you're using. So this is what our vessels look like. So this is 24 hours from pouring the wax, and they turned out perfect. Like sometimes we have a dip down in and there's no dip or anything in these. These are perfect. This is the vanilla. This one was the vanilla. This one is the black raspberry vanilla. Or excuse me, vanilla ice cream. And this one is the black raspberry vanilla. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do before I even pull it out is cut down the wick to the sizing that it needs to be. And I'm sorry if you hear my dogs in the background. They must see somebody outside. And the same thing on this one. We're going to cut it down. And I'm going to show you how I box everything up. So we've got those cut down. I'm going to move these out of the way. So again, this one is the vanilla ice cream. And before I go and pull them out, I'm going to show you how I do the boxes for them and how I put them all together. So first thing is we're going to do the very top of the boxes, which if you had the box all created, this would be the very top of the box. That's where our little logo is going to go, which is 2007 Candle Co. So we're going to put that on there first. And then put this over to the side. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and create the box, which you just put the bottom down and then the two sides go in like so. And then we have a little warning sticker that needs to go on every candle. And it's a warning about burning instructions. And this is going to go at the very bottom of the box, which is what we would do for our candles. We would put it at the bottom of our candle. So we're going to go ahead and do that first. This is for both. And I'll get a close-up of that so you can see it. And that's going to go just on the bottom of the box. Next thing we have, because it's an 8-ounce candle, we have our 8-ounce label sticker. And all my labels are Avery labels. So we're just going to put that on the front. So that one is going to be vanilla ice cream. And then we're going to pull out our 8-ounce of our black raspberry vanilla. And we're going to put that in the front of this box. And that's the front. We're going to do a back. And on the back is the scent description for each. So let me find black raspberry. black raspberry scent. We're gonna put that down here at on the back of it. And then we're gonna go over here to our vanilla ice cream. And I apologize, some of my labels just fell out of this, so I've got stuff upside down, inside out, backwards, you name it. And then we've got our vanilla ice cream description label on that one. So that takes care of our boxes. We'll start out with our, let me move these. We've got some orders that came in last night. So the first thing we're gonna do is our vanilla ice cream. So this is the silicone mold. The very first thing you're gonna wanna do is loosen it up on the sides. And because it is coconut soy, it will, you have to be careful because it will stick to your hands. But you see how nice and even that came out? And then this is what it looks like. This is the vanilla ice cream. And guys, this smells phenomenal. It smells so good. So I've got just a little piece of, it's like, you know, your stuffing paper. I don't know what specifically you call it, but it's just paper. And what I do is I set it in the middle of that. And then I just take it and I bind it up into the middle all the way around like so. So it's like a little perfect gift. And then we're gonna put that right down into our box like so. We're gonna fold over the sides and fold the top, and it fits perfectly in these little boxes. And then we're just gonna take a clear sticker that's perforated in the middle, and we put that right here. That way they can rip it open easily, but it holds it closed during shipping. So that's the vanilla ice cream. We're gonna go over here. Now this one was a little bit fuller. This one had the 8. So I'm just gonna go around and I'm gonna pull all that excess on the top off, like so, and get that off there. It's just with my fingernail. Excuse me. There we go. We made it even and it's pretty. Again, you're just gonna pull on the sides to get it to loosen. And then we're just gonna push from the bottom. And it's just gonna push right through. And then we pull it out. And I'm gonna be right back because I wanna throw these little pieces away that I just scraped off. And the same thing, you can see on the bottom is that little piece where that was sitting for the wick. And it's a wooden wick. We're gonna set it in the middle and bind it all up like so. So it's like a little tiny gift basket. We're gonna drop it down into our black raspberry vanilla. And it fits perfectly. And we're gonna put our little perforated sticker. And that is all there is to it. We've got 2 8-ounce candles ready to go for her order. And she ordered a black vessel. So we'll be sending her out a black vessel with both of her candles. So if you have any questions, please let me know. The refillable candle option is very eco-friendly and it saves in your pocketbook. Thanks for watching, guys.